Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back. I miss you guys so freaking much, and I hope this is the last time I disappear for a while. Today, I'm coming in with a very exciting video because I'm silly and I like to have a good time. Y'all saw the title. I know this is about to be a hot mess. Well, I'm gonna be positive. I'm hoping it's not gonna be a hot mess. But y'all saw the title. We are going to be applying some tattooed edges so that my edges are laid and slayed to the gods, as they say. So let's go ahead and jump into it. I do need to do something because I can't have slayed edges and my hair just looking crazy. That's just not even gonna make any sense. So let me go ahead and do something to my hair real quick and then come right on back. But before I do that, there's a couple buttons right down here and here, somewhere around in this area. Please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, I am back, looking a little bit more presentable. Now, I was gonna put on some makeup, and then I realized I'm gonna actually have to wet my face. So makeup and the temporary tattoos, I really haven't figured that out yet. How is that really gonna work, or how does that work? Because I'm sure the girls that are out here using it, they still beating their face. Here we go. We have two different types of edges. I have watched a ton of these videos all on YouTube, and I mean, these videos are hilarious. So I had to join in the fun because everybody's having too much fun trying these temporary tattoo edges. So I did purchase mine though. I don't think anybody has mentioned that they got theirs before I got mine. So I watched Bianca Renee today, her channel. She actually purchased hers from somebody's Etsy store, and she spent like $30. No, I don't have money to waste like that. I don't have money to play around like that. Not with something like this. And I believe some other people that I've watched, they got theirs off Amazon, and I'm like, yeah, okay, that's cool. You know, that makes a lot of sense because the $30, I can't do the $30 holla for something like this. But I got mine 82 cents. Who you know? Who do you know? Who else out here getting their temporary edges, tattoo edges for 84 cents? Okay, and it actually was $1 for shipping. So we're gonna say $1.84. But at the end of the day, I think 84 sound better. So, and I think this one, because this was pretty ugly and it just really looked bad. This one, I think was a little bit more. This one, I think with shipping and everything was like $2 and $2.99 or something, like $2.88 or $2.99, something like that. But either way, both of them together was under $5. So, and honestly, I shouldn't even bought this one. This is a whole food, and I don't want no parts of it. I'm glad I bought more than one. Oh, I didn't mention where I got it from. I got it from wish.com. So if you've never heard of wish.com, because a lot of people maybe never have, wish.com is like if Amazon and Dollar Tree had a baby. That's wish.com. So it's a place where you go, it's a website you go and you find really, really cheap stuff. Sometimes you find some good things on there. I'm not gonna lie, I have some other things that I am gonna be testing out on my channel that I got from wish.com. So you just never know. Sometimes you'll find a gem and you're gonna get it for the low, and it will be the same product that's selling on Amazon for like $30, $40, $50. So you should check out wish.com if you are trying to find some hidden gems and you don't have a lot of money. If you're on a budget, that is gonna be your best friend. And surprisingly, it's coming from China, but the shipping, it did not take that long. So I have definitely seen this style of edges on some girls which I'm assuming that was their real edges. But nowadays, since you could just go ahead and do an edge tattoo, I don't even know if the edges that I saw back in the day was even real edges. Because how long has this been around? I don't know, I think this is like a new trend. But that's enough talking. It's time to go ahead and apply these. You know, I got it for 84 cents. So you get what you pay for. I get no instructions on how to do this. So we're gonna go old school. From what I remember, all you need is a little bit of water. So we're gonna open this baby up, put a little water on it, and see what it do. Okay, y'all. So I just cut them out. I think you just like to cut it around the edges. So I cut off all of the excess that we weren't gonna use, and then it has a film on top. I don't know what's the top and what's the bottom and what's the side. Like, this is the hairline, okay. So this is the hairline over here. Maybe this the sideburns. So maybe it should go like this with the sideburns. Ciao. With the sideburns, so it's like that, like that, like that, like that. Because I think that'll make sense. There, right on the hairline. This is gonna be on my face. What the fuck? All on my eyebrows. This ain't right. I don't understand. Okay, we gonna just try it. Take it off. This is just a wet towel that I'm taking. Try to get this on here. And I think it needs to be wetter. Maybe about to look like Ashanti back in the day. That was my girl though. You know, obviously though, I'm an Aaliyah fan. But Ashanti was my girl too. So okay, I don't even want to take it off. I want to just put the other one on. I just want to be surprised. I have no instructions, so I don't know if I need to leave it on for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I don't know nothing. We are so winging it. So again, if you get it off wish.com, the only downside is that you don't got any instructions on how long you're supposed to leave this on, because I mean, it was $1. Really it was $1. So do I expect them to actually give me instructions? I can't complain. What I will say is this is not as easy as people probably think, because, you know, like, you trying to line it up exactly, and I don't know, darling. It's not that easy. And it's not like you can see through, like, can y'all see the design through the paper? No. So you really can't tell. At least I can't. Considering I'm not looking in a mirror, probably if I did this in the bathroom, it would be a lot better or a lot easier. But because I did this in my camera, just pray for me. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm gonna, look, this is, come on girl, this one is longer than the other one. Why? I should do this in the bathroom, because I got sideburn edges all down here, and then I don't have them. I did that one up too high. Why'd y'all let me do this? I really want this to look like real edges. I'm just gonna leave this on for 2 more seconds, and we gonna see. We gonna see. Gonna swing on the chandelier, on the chandelier. I'm gonna swing on the chandelier. I need to stop watching TikTok, y'all. Okay. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I don't think I did enough down here. Wait. Let's see. I don't think it's moisturized yet. It ain't enough moisture. To be honest with y'all, I just been playing. I'm not even gonna lie. I was on TikTok, watching TikToks, being a TikToker, being a TikTok watcher, because I don't never actually post on TikTok. I'm gonna start posting though, y'all, but it won't be natural hair. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, is it coming on? Oh, okay. So this side definitely ready. Okay. Ooh, wait a minute. Do that right. Okay, this side came out. No, it did the same thing. It came out, I feel like I came out a little bit better than the other side. So all I just did was just press this down. To be honest, y'all, from far, it looked like I got some laid down edges all on my face. Well, for close, it looked like I let somebody, I've been in jail and I let somebody play on my face. Wait, that don't sound right. It looks like I have a face tattoo. This does not look like hair to me. It looks like I got a bad face tattoo. Come on now. Look at that when y'all get up in there close. Look at this. No. Is that it had a little mole, or is that my mole? Come on, I don't even know. And it feels like I got some on my face. But I think I actually lined it up pretty good. I thought I didn't. I tried it. It was fun. Let me know if y'all would do anything like this. Let me know if y'all would walk outside like this. Actually, that don't sound right. I'm not trying to judge you because everybody don't have edges, and that's serious. Like, some people really wish they had edges that laid down on their head like this. So I don't want y'all to think that I'm making fun of anybody that will wear this. It's just not for me. I can deal with a little bit of baby hair that I have because I feel like baby hair shouldn't be laid out on your forehead. It just shouldn't. If you got that much real hair laying on your forehead, your hair is probably broken off. So I say what I said. So this is too cool. All right, y'all. That's all I have for this video. I'm definitely not going outside looking like this. I will not be seen anywhere because it looks like a tattoo when you get close. So don't let Instagram fool y'all. It is not what it seems. Now, maybe you gotta find a particular brand, but this right here look like it's a fake tattoo. Anyways, I'm out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and as always, I'm a little different and different is love. See ya in the next one. Bye. Hey, see me with these edges. Oh, see me with these edges. See me with these edges. Oh, this looks really bad. Like, what is this? Oh, no ma'am. With this white, the white around your lip. No ma'am, ma'am. You got a gel tattoo.